Weight loss is difficult for most people, and there are many diet plans out there that promise quick results. Some actually work, albeit temporarily, while others are nothing more than just passing trends. The Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, has been shown and supported by research to help people lose weight. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Mediterranean diet, where you will discover a long-term weight loss solution while learning how to eat like the healthiest people in the world and increasing your overall health and well-being. The Mediterranean diet is centered on the eating habits of those who live in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Italy, Spain, and Greece. And it is acknowledged that the people of these nations are among the healthiest in the world, as they tend to be less susceptible to chronic lifestyle diseases, including diabetes, stroke, and heart attacks. So what are they doing that you aren't? Well, it's mostly down to what they eat. The majority of their food is whole, plant-based, with little dairy and few animal products. Not only do they eat well and get enough nutrition, but they also live in a healthier way. So here are some of their rules for you to keep in mind if you're trying to lose weight. Eat more vegetables and whole foods. The staples of the Mediterranean diet include unprocessed foods, including grains, vegetables, and fruits. Whole oats, whole wheat, whole grain bread, pasta, corn, and brown rice are preferable over their refined and processed counterparts because of the many health benefits they provide. You should eat a variety of fruits and vegetables at least twice a week, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, spinach, cucumbers, apples, bananas, peaches, and grapes. The best way to give your body all the nutrients it needs is to eat a lot of vegetables and whole foods. Have a glass of wine with your meal. Wine can be enjoyed as part of a healthy Mediterranean diet, but it's important to only drink it in moderation. It's recommended to have 1 glass a day during dinner. If you have a bit of trouble limiting your intake to just one, it might be best to skip the wine altogether. Water should be your go-to beverage, and coffee and tea can also be consumed without added sweetener. Substitute your butter for olive oil. Avoid using butter and instead use olive oil. Olive oil can be used as a salad dressing as well as a frying oil. It is an excellent source of antioxidants and healthy fats that are helpful for the body, and you should use olive oil as a substitute for other oils whenever possible. Reduce your intake of red meat. If you want to follow the Mediterranean diet, you should limit how much red meat you eat. Eat lean white meats such as turkey, chicken, and fish instead. Eat less cultured dairy products. You can eat some dairy products, such as cheese and yogurt, but they should only be eaten in moderation. Don't leave out your nuts. Nuts are beneficial for weight loss due to their abundance of healthy fats. While on the Mediterranean diet, nuts can be a nutritious and convenient snack. You can try almonds, walnuts, cashews, Brazil nuts, and many other varieties that are available. However, don't overdo the portions because nuts can still contribute to weight gain if you're not careful. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Processed meals and sugary drinks are among the leading causes of weight gain, so try to give them a miss. Even though the Mediterranean diet lets you eat sweets once in a while, it discourages you from eating foods with unhealthy ingredients like refined grains, refined oils, and added sugar. Eat well and enjoy your life. The Mediterranean diet is not just about the food you eat. It also helps you develop healthy habits that can lead to a longer and healthier life. This includes staying active through regular exercise and socializing with friends and family. This type of diet is flexible and doesn't prohibit certain foods, but it's important to only eat them in moderation. It will also introduce you to a variety of different foods and flavors, and you'll probably come across some new tastes that you enjoy. This kind of diet works well to help people lose weight. There are countless numbers of people who claim the Mediterranean diet has helped them, and these can easily be found online. If you go on this diet, give it some time to work. You'll not only be satisfied with your results, but feel a lot better as well. Sticking to it for about 6 months should show some good, positive effects. It's a great lifestyle diet that you will most likely want to stick with for the rest of your life.